Okay, you got 2014 Honda CR-V. Customer says that his key does not turn in the ignition, so we had to take the whole ignition out, the housing, because usually we don't take the housing out, but there was no way to get this plastic out without reaching to the back screw here. So we had to take the housing with the 2 screws, we had to Dremel it out. The whole housing was out, and now we got a key that's turning in the ignition. All set. We'll come back and show how the car starts. Just a minute. Okay, everything is hooked up beside the covers, and the key goes in. And the car is on. Job is done.